In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into how you can start earning with Printify, a print-on-demand platform that allows you to customize and sell products online without any upfront costs. So let's break down the steps to success. First, you will need to set up an account on Printify. Head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email or sign up with social media accounts such as Facebook or Google. Once you're all signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Next, it's time to explore the products you can create. Printify offers a wide range of items to print on, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, and even wall art. Take your time browsing through the catalog and think about what resonates with you and what might appeal to your target audience. Do some research to see what's trending in fashion or home decor. After you've chosen a product line, the fun part begins: designing your products. Click on your selected product to open up the design tool. You'll have options to upload images, add text, and customize colors and designs. If you're not a graphic designer, don't worry. There are plenty of user-friendly design tools available online like Canva, where you can create stunning visuals. Remember to keep your audience in mind. Are they looking for humorous quotes, motivational designs, or stylish graphics? Once your design is ready, you can preview how it will look on the product. It's essential that you're happy with it, because this is what your customers will see. Don't hesitate to make adjustments until it's just right. Now, after you've finalized your designs, it's time to set up your store. Printify integrates seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Choose a platform that you're comfortable with or one that you feel suits your business best. If you're new to e-commerce, Shopify is user-friendly and has numerous resources to help you get started. With your store set up, you need to list your products to attract potential buyers. Make sure to write compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique aspects of your designs. Use keywords that people might search for to help boost your visibility. High-quality product images also play a crucial role here. Consider taking mock-ups of your products, as they will catch more attention than generic images. Now let's talk about marketing. This is where the real challenge begins, but also where you can be creative. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your products. Regularly post appealing content to keep your audience engaged. Create a marketing strategy that incorporates your unique selling points, and share testimonials from satisfied customers when you start making sales. Consistency is key. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It can take time to grow a following and attract buyers. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask for feedback, and participate in relevant groups. Consider running ads on social media if your budget allows, as this can help increase your visibility substantially. As orders start to come in, Printify takes care of the printing and shipping so you can focus on your marketing and new product designs. Remember to regularly evaluate your sales and customer feedback and adjust your offerings based on what works best. To recap, start by setting up your Printify account and choosing your products. Design them to reflect your style and the preferences of your audience. Create an appealing online store and develop a robust marketing strategy to drive traffic to your site. I hope you now have a clear roadmap to making money with Printify. It can be a fantastic way to express your creativity while building a potentially profitable business. Happy designing, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful tips.